Students, we are resuming our discussion on tolerance charting. If you have followed the instruction given in the previous 9 videos and have entered the values accordingly, your tolerance chart should look like this now. Now we will recall the purpose of tolerance charting that we have discussed already. We want to produce this component is in mass quantities. We have decided to use 6 stages for completing this component. What are those 6 stages? Rough turning 1, rough turning 2, finish turning 1, finish turning 2, grinding 1 and grinding 2. We have to prepare stage drawing for all the 6 stages. For the purpose of preparing a stage drawing, we are using tolerance charting technique. Now, for initially, we are going to consider these 4 linear dimensions. So, these 4 linear dimensions, I am going to transfer, I am going to enter into the tolerance chart now. First, we will enter this dimension. This dimension is the distance between this face to this face. As per drawing, as per the blueprint drawing, the mean value should be 25 mm and tolerance should be 0.025. So let me enter this dimension on line number 40. Okay, on line number 40, I am entering this dimension, the distance between this end to this end. Okay, I am entering. Okay, so I am entering as a balanced dimension. Dot, 2 dot and a line. So as per the drawing, the mean value should be 25 mm and the tolerance should be 0.025 mm. I have entered. Is it right? I have entered. Okay. So I am just deviating a small rule. Okay, what the rule? So this dimension I have entered as a balanced dimension. Okay, you know the difference between balanced dimension and machine dimension. A balanced dimension is entered as a line with 2 dots. A machine to dimension is entered as a dot and a arrowhead. Okay, so all these 4 dimensions I am going to enter as a balanced dimension. Once you enter as a balanced dimension, the corresponding value, mean value and the tolerance has to be entered only under this column only. Okay, I am just deviating this rule. I am entering, okay, under the machine to column. Okay, I will tell you the purpose later on. Okay, now this the distance between this face to this face as per the drawing is 25 and 0.025 is the tolerance. Similarly, next dimension I am entering. The bore depth. Okay, as per the blueprint drawing, it should be 25 plus or minus 0.155. Okay, let me enter it on line number 41. Okay, I am entering that dimension. Okay, with a balanced dimension. Entering. Okay, the value is 25.155 is the tolerance. Okay, next dimension. 50 plus or minus 0.1. I want to enter it onto the tolerance chart. On line number 42, okay, I am entering this dimension 42, right? So the mean value is 50, tolerance is 0.1. Then what is next dimension? Overall length 100 plus or minus 0.285. I am entering on line number 43. Okay, so on line number 43 I am entering the overall length between this face to this face. Okay, the requirement is 100, tolerance is 0.285. Okay, what I have done so far, I have just transferred these 4 linear dimensions onto the tolerance chart at the bottom. So you can enter as per your sequence. Even if you change the sequence in which you are entering these 4 dimensions, it will not affect our results.